What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you an unboxing video of the GoPro Hero Black 9. Picked up the bundle with the subscription. Pretty good price. Came with the 32 megabyte SanDisk Extreme. It's a good bonus there. And picking up the box here, it's a pretty good design. Better than the older ones. They don't have that big plastic. It's a 20 megapixel camera. You get your 5K by 30 and 4K by 60, 1080p live streaming. Waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. Has your hyper smooth 3.0. And it has the accessories and different things that come with your GoPro here. And then we have your little GoPro app. And here we have our different designs. You get your 20 megapixel camera, 5K 30, 4K 60, 1080p at 240, voice control, 33 feet, 10 meters, 8x slow-mo, data overlays, 1080p live streaming, time warp 3.0, super photo HDR. You have your raw symbol, touchscreen, and a webcam mode. And from there, let's go ahead and just utilize the bottom piece here by ripping it open, as you say. And that gets this right on in there. And they give you the nice little case that it comes with, a little bit hard, sturdy. Kind of like this case, reminds me of the KC case, a little bit bigger than this one, but pretty good. Doesn't have a carrying handle like that one does, but I'll take a free case over that plastic case with the additional pieces. So here we go. It comes with a nice little mesh pouch here. We have ourselves first with a subscribe to GoPro. We have our design piece here. A couple of stickers, kind of a nice touch there. Everybody loves their stickers, have product questions. We have ourselves a USB-C cable. You do get your free attachment piece with the adhesive 3M tape. And then we have ourselves our battery. Has the blue top there, showing that it is made for the 9. Got ourselves a little thumb screw. And we have ourselves a buckle. And this is the Hero9. Comes in a nice little plastic case. I'm glad that this one has a removable case here, so you can actually, or lens here, so you can actually get the removable piece working. And the front camera with the good video blogging techniques. I'm glad they added that in there instead of having to wait. And then from here, we've got a little piece here that you just pull open to get that going.
One moment.
And from there...
Still trying. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try again.
Good old Siri. And we'll take that piece off there. And then that is your Hero9 Black. And the casing seems a bit better to open. Doesn't pop open like the 8 did, all erratically. And good, nice filter pieces. Got your charging cable. And yeah, it feels good. The piece here, you'll need to get the Hero mod to connect into there if you wanted to utilize the additional mounting or the audio piece as well as the video pieces. But this is your current system and how that works, and you're good to go. And this piece right here is this piece of flimsy plastic, still will hold it in there. All nice and secure. But if you do have your different pieces and Velcro adhesive on this box, it'll hold everything properly if you can get different Velcros here. And that should allow you to put multiple pieces back in here in a nice snug fit, depending on what exactly you want to keep in here. So yeah, this is the Hero9 Black from GoPro. Hopefully I can bring you guys some footage pretty soon and see how that goes on from there. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you like the footage, go ahead and leave that a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.